This is a screenshot that a customer sent me today. All right, today's Wednesday, May 8th, 2024. And with respect to what I'm going to show here in this video, okay, if you're not convinced by the end of this video that volume is the only indicator that you'll ever need to transform your trading, all right, then I'm sorry to say this, but you may never be convinced, and you'll probably be a retail trader for the rest of your life. So pay close attention to what I'm going to show you on this volume trading system, because I firmly believe, and this is my humble opinion, I believe that the information that I'm going to show you here is priceless. And I'm convinced that this strategy can make an impact on your trading literally on day one. All right, so first things first, big shout out to my customer Jeremy from Miami. He was brand new to trading volume. I think he's only had the system for 3 or 4 days. We onboarded just this past weekend, and he's been absolutely crushing it. So Jeremy, thank you for allowing me to share your feedback from all of your live trades from today, Wednesday, May 8th. Now, the first question that most traders ask is, why volume, right? Like, how and why does volume make a difference? And let me answer that question real quick. Okay, what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live chart on the NASDAQ from this morning. And we have the volume indicator color band overlaid on top of it. Now, if you contrast this, all right, with an identical chart that does not have volume, well, this is what you get. All right, here's a chart that doesn't have volume on it. And here's that very same chart that has volume on it. So I don't know, guys. Why don't you tell me what you think, right? Do you think that based on what I showed you, a chart without volume versus a chart with volume, okay, do you feel that there are any advantages by using volume and just volume? All right, if you'll take another look at this chart, you can see there are no other indicators loaded onto this chart. We just track volume. And another question you might ask is, well, hey, Mark, how do we play these colors, right? How do we decide exactly when to go short or exactly when to go long? Well, I have a brilliant answer for you, okay? And this technique is something that I do each and every day. Take a look, folks, at this beautiful retracement right over here. Can you see how the market kind of retraced and tagged the red volume color band before it plunged 600 ticks, right? Well, this is how we play it. I know many of you long-term customers, clients, and subscribers know exactly what I'm talking about. There is something magical about trading a retracement. Take a look at this price action right over here. Can you see how the volume color band changes from red into green, telling you that there are now more buyers than sellers? And so from this moment in time at 8:35 a.m. today, Wednesday, May 8th, you were playing it long only. All right? And even more spectacular, can you see how the market gives us a nice retracement against the vol color band right over here? And by 10:30 a.m. this morning, my customer Jeremy in Miami was done with trading for over 800 ticks in profit. Now look, man, you still got to put the work in, you still got to put the time in, and you still have to understand risk management, all right? Because if you want to catch some enormous winning trades, then you got to be able to stomach a couple of losing trades along the way. And it's my humble opinion that when you decide to integrate volume into your trading, then I feel confident in telling you that you will see a magnificent transformation in your chart display from this into this. So that'll do it for this video, folks. Big shout out to Jeremy and all of my new customers and clients who onboarded with me recently. I'm so thrilled that you folks are crushing it, and I can't wait to show you more volume setups tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.